with us the very gorgeous Parineeti Chopra. Let's welcome her up on stage. Everybody who's here today, a very good afternoon. A very good afternoon, Pari. Please do have a seat.
Hi guys, hi morning. Oh ये बहुत loud नहीं है? ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, so since we are here today at Reliance Digital, which is a one-stop destination for all your electronic needs, we have a few questions for you.
Oh, I thought you were going to say we have some electronics for you. I was getting very excited.
Maybe.
You should do one of every department, just one.
Sure. So
She's not taking me seriously. Okay.
when it comes to technology, what is it that you seek help on?
Not so much actually, because I like to keep myself updated with most of the gadgets that come into the market. Not that I'm a tech geek or very knowledgeable at all, but I like to know what's new in, whether it's laptops or TVs or even a washing machine. It excites me a lot, and I tend to keep my house quite updated. Like I have some cool TVs and some cool gadgets in my house and some great sound systems, and also, yeah. No, I don't seek help apart from the one that I get from the internet.
So Reliance Digital has tech experts and their vision is to personalize technology. So what do you have to say for this?
Wow, start with me. My name is Parineeti. They can customize and personalize some stuff for me.
So I'm sure that you have a lot of friends in the industry. Amongst your popular Bollywood friends, who do you feel needs to be more tech savvy and which product would you recommend for them?
Who needs to be tech savvy? No, actually, all of us are quite updated. Honestly, genuinely, we are quite updated. I think my sister, Priyanka, is the one who is the most updated. Like, she always has the latest phones and the latest stuff. So if anything, she should give, maybe, like, she can give me something. I don't know.
So in today's Asian technology has played a very vital role, and we've seen so many stars rise to fame by using the same. Technology has made the world a stage, and people can perform and rise to any level. If you were to use this medium, with which talent of yours would you promote through the stage? It's not a secret that you're a fantastic singer, dancer, and you're obviously an extremely talented actress.
Thank you. But I was actually going to say that, yeah, I would probably do something music related, only because you know and everybody knows now that I love to sing and I love music and I love to experiment with some, music stuff. So yeah, I think it is the digital age. All of us watch things on our phone more than we watch it on TV. I think we are more updated on our social media than we are from the newspaper. So I think, yeah, I would definitely use the digital platform of social media through my phone and do something in singing, maybe, I think.
You have a very hectic lifestyle, which is not a secret. And in this lifestyle, technology plays a critical role. So what would you do if any device which is very close to you goes kaput?
The most important device in my life is my portable charger, because if my phone dies, then my life comes to a standstill. I have no shame in saying that I'm very addicted to my phone and making phone calls and talking to people. So my portable charger goes bust, oh my God, then, it's a problem. But I keep 3 portable chargers with me at all time. There's one in the car and one in my bag and then one with Ajay ji. And yeah, there are always portable chargers around me.
So which is this one tech gadget that you're emotional about? Is it your phone?
Yes, it is true. I'm very emotional, as you can see even now. I like to update my phones quite often, like even like twice a year, which may not be much, but I think it's quite a bit because people don't really change their phones every time. But like I'm one of those people who, like before a phone is launched, I'll book it already. And then it'll come into my house, and then till the day of the launch, I don't open it. Like I'm that person. So yeah, my phone.
And if you had to go on an adventure, what gadgets would you carry with you?
I go scuba diving quite a bit, and I have an amazing hottie underwater camera. It's not a GoPro. I know the whole world has a GoPro, but I have a really cool one, very sturdy action camera, I call it. So yeah, that's the one I use. It can go up to 200 meters. I don't go to 200 meters, but yeah, my underwater camera is the most important thing for me.
Okay, so we have a few winners that we've called here from a contest that we'd organized. So this is the Reliance Digital Contest Meet and Greet Parinidhi Chopra. So we're going to invite them on stage here. Can we request Samruddhi Patil, Bhavesh Lamba, Tushar Uchil, Bhavesh Punjabi, Twisha Soni, Kashmira
Oh, wow.
Gulatkar,
Hi, come guys.
and Aditi Rajvanshi to please join us up on stage. Congratulations. Can we get all the winners up on stage, please?
Are you all getting free phones? What are you getting? Tell me. Because if you're getting, I'm very upset. No, no, forget that. Tell me what free gift you're getting. Then I'll ask for it.
We just wanted to meet you and it's a dream come true for all of us.
So sweet. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Don't stand in a line. Come, guys. Hi. Hi. Come, come, come.
Come this side now.
So, well, they are winning something for sure today. We're going to request you to give it out to them.
Yeah.
But they're winning something very personalized.
Oh, really?
Yes. Let's see. Fingers crossed. It's just on
Let's
its way.
see. It's coming. It's coming.
Yes. Can you please get the merchandise to give away? Yes.
Oh, we've not signed it yet. Okay, cool. We'll do it now.
So, ladies and gentlemen, press members, and everybody else who's here today, our winners for the contest. Like I said, they get personalized gifts. We have Parinidhi Chopra, who's going to be signing them and handing them over to them. Third time's the charm. Yes. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, can we get a group picture? All of them together. Big smile. Great, thank you. May I request you please be seated, and members of the media, we are going to be opening, okay. We're going to be opening the session for Q&A, so just in case you do have any questions.
It's a long time I'm seeing you. Come, come, ask. Have they reduced the volume? Yeah, you can increase the volume.
We have mics. Any questions, you can just raise your hands. We'll hand over the mics to you.